Hey, this is Tim. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're discussing Showcase IDX features. This is some stuff that I'm requesting or throwing out there to the Showcase IDX community, and specifically, to Showcase IDX. Scott Lockhart, the CEO. Um, this is stuff that's been discussed in the Facebook user group and during the CEO live discussions. I'm going to break this up into several videos. I appreciate you watching. If you're watching this, thank you so much. Some of these issues blend together, so if you could please take the time to watch the video all the way through and check out the other videos. I'd really appreciate it. And again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. This video is going to be about WordPress page templates. Um, these are high-level WordPress designations, not just page post design choices. And they specifically, as it pertains to WordPress and the way the WordPress system works, they register body classes, which helps with programming and CSS. So what are we talking about here? If you look at the WordPress handbook, and you look up page templates as it pertains to WordPress, we're not talking about Divi or Visual Composer or any of your theme generators or theme management plugins. WordPress page templates generally have a high level of specificity targeting an individual page or group of pages. For example, a page template named page-about.php is more specific than template files page.php or index.php. And it's important. These are both WordPress system generated page templates that are used over and over again by default by WordPress, page.php, index.php. Um, so if we look at, we go to Showcase IDX, and this is my website. I'm a web developer and a broker in Michigan, franklinedison.com. And if we conduct a search, Plymouth, Michigan, and you'll see that I have the web developer tools for Firefox open down here. And we go to Plymouth, Michigan, search. Okay. What you would hope to see in the Showcase IDX system generated pages is that higher level of specificity um, as it pertains to a body class, registering a body class with WordPress for these pages. Now, you can see, forget the URL for a moment because we'll get to that. You can see that in body class, the only Showcase specific registration that's occurred is this page ID and this long convoluted Showcase IDX generated page ID. Um, what you would hope to see here is something along the lines of SIDX hyphen search hyphen result. Okay, so that would mean that Showcase IDX has registered a page template called SIDX hyphen search hyphen results that could be used to identify the body class of a search results page. Again, that helps programmatically. It helps with CSS. You could do specific styling. Um, you could create rules based on that body class, which right now you can't do. And we would hope to see those with all the Showcase IDX system generated pages. And what we mean by that is a search results page. So a search results page is generated by Showcase IDX. It's not a WordPress page that you designed and typed a page or a post. It's generated by Showcase IDX. So search results page. Your default search page, right? Which is what we set up when we very first install Showcase IDX. So if you go back to WordPress and you go to admin, you go to your dashboard, and you click on Showcase IDX, this is really the only thing here, the only thing in this. is Showcase asks you to set up your default search page URL, which is awesome, and it gives you the ability to name it, and that sort of that's relevant to long tail um, URL. Um, and but what Showcase IDX currently is doing is it's just creating one WordPress system page template based on what you do here, and it uses them for all of your Showcase IDX pages. You see, so there's only one page template being registered to WordPress by Showcase IDX, and you can even see how that plays into your URL. So there's no delineation made. There's no discerning between this search results page, which I conducted for Plymouth, Michigan at the start of the video. It's the same URL. So in other words, we searched for house. We did a search for Plymouth, Michigan, and Showcase IDX didn't do anything with that search term. It didn't place it in the URL. Therefore, it's not there to use when generating the content for the resulting search results page. And that's going to blend into my H1 issue, which will be a separate video. And I'm sorry, thank you so much for listening. And these kind of blend together. I sincerely appreciate it. If you've listened this far, please watch the other videos. Thank you so much. And you'll see that this blends in with there should be an H1 right here that says Plymouth, Michigan. And currently Showcase IDX isn't doing that. So the URL for my default search page, homes, search homes for sale, that's where my default or advanced search is. Some people call it advanced search because this is where you would get more granular. You know, a user would get more granular with their search. Some people call it advanced search. Some people call it default search. You'll see that at the URL level, there's no difference between my default or advanced search page and a search results page search results page created from a user's search. So again, this video we're talking about the WordPress page templates. And bring it back to what we were talking about for this specific video, and the fact that Showcase IDX is not the Showcase IDX only currently creates one page template, and it's based on that advanced or default search page that you specify when you install it, and it's using that for individual single property details pages, same page template. You know, again, we're looking at a single property detail page here, right? And what you'd like to see down here in the body class is a class that Showcase IDX registered to WordPress, something like SIDX single property. That's what we would be hoping to see here for customization, CSS. So that concludes the first video. WordPress page templates, and the fact that Showcase IDX is currently only registering one global, all-inclusive WordPress level page template. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the other videos about the Showcase IDX feature discussion. Thank you.